Hello everyone, I hope you all are good. So today we are going to see how you can create the functional component inside React Native. Okay, so first of all we will create our new project. Let's go in it. Functional, right? Okay, so now you can see our project is created now. Now we are going inside the directory of our project. Okay, so here you can see our folder is open now. This is the app.js file. Okay, so here you can see the component which is already created here is the app component. Okay, and that is the what type of component it is? Here it is written the function keyword. Okay, it means this is a functional component. So in this video we are going to see how we can create the functional component. So here you can see this is a function component created already. Okay, inside function component, we have to use this function keyword in the front of the name of the component, and then inside the return method, we have to describe the layout of our page. Like here inside the view tab, view component, we have described all the things like for the text and for the status bar. So in this way, you can create the functional component. This is the internal functional component. So if you want to create the external functional component, then how you can create that? For that we are going to create the new file here. I'm going to name it external function.js. Okay. Now the another file will get open. You can see where you want to save it. I'm going to save it inside the okay. So from the starting we will write import view comma style sheet comma uh, text you can take. Okay, so now the first thing we have to remember while making the functional component, okay, we have to write the function keyword. Okay, then the name of the component, right? The name of the component we are going to create here would be same as the name of the file which we have created. Okay, functional. Okay, in this way you can create, and inside that you have to write the return method. With the help of return method, you will be able to display whatever you want to display on the screen. Okay. Inside the view, we are going to use a text component, and here we will print our message. Okay. So now I'm going to show you the output. First of all, we have to go into the terminal. We have to write the npm start there. Okay. Okay. So I want to show it on the web. So I'm going to press W. See, it is not making me able to check the output on the web. It is saying what? It is saying that you have to install this library. Okay, no problem. Yes, you can see it is done. Now if I try to press W, it will show me the output. Okay. Now it will open the browser and show me the output. Now you will see that whether it will show me the output or not. And where is the error? Okay. So you can see it is loading now. No problem. Okay. So you can see it is giving me the output. Okay. Which output it is giving? It is giving me the default output. Okay. The whatever things are written inside there. Okay. I am going to remove that. Now you can see no output is there because nothing is there inside the view component. I am going to add something. I want to show what? I want to show this hello friends. Okay. How I can use this display, or you can say this layout of view inside the app.js by importing that particular component inside my app.js. You have to write import. You can see it will give you the suggestion. It is not giving? No problem. External. You can see why it is not giving you the suggestion. I can tell you. You can see now it is not giving the suggestion. When I'm going to remove it and I'm going there, if I will write here export default, you have to write here export default. Okay. Now we will check whether it will give you the suggestion or not. See, this is the difference. Okay. So it is very important to write this export default. Okay. If you're not going to write it, no display is coming. Okay. If without writing it you are trying to display something on the screen, it will not display anything. So it is important to use this export default. Okay. For whatever component you are creating, you can see it is giving the suggestion. Okay. Along with the path also. So now we're not wasting more time. I will use that component inside my, you can see, now I'm going to press it. See, the output came there. So in this way, you can create the component, especially the functional component, right? This is the one way of creating the functional component. Okay. Also, this is the external functional component. How? Because I'm creating the another file and I'm going to import that particular file which is named as external functional inside my app.js file. Okay. There's another way also, like how you can create the functional component. I'm going to comment this, right? So I'm going to use the constant keyword here, the name of the function, external function, right? Then you have to use the equal to sign, this bracket, this operator, and then this. Okay. In this way also you can create the functional component. So here also I'm going to use a return method. Inside that return method I'm going to use okay. But here separately you have to write the export before. If you are not going to write it will not give you the output. Okay. In this way you have to write. So now you will see whether the output comes or not. You can see. After refreshing the output is coming. Okay. So you can check the output on your Expo Go app also. I'm going to show you. Okay, no problem guys. In this way also you can check the output. Okay, you can check the output on the mobile screen also. So this was the way where you can create the external functional component with two ways. Okay, with the function keyword or without the function keyword also. Okay, so that's all for today guys. Thank you so much.